Hello students, now in this lecture we see rule 5 to find integrating factor. So what is rule 5? If 1 upon m into bracket dabba n by dabba x minus dabba m by dabba y is function of y only. Suppose we say that f of y, then e raised to integral f of y dy is an integrating factor of the equation m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. So in previous rule the value was f of x. Now in this rule the value must be f of y, that is only terms of y, no any term of x. So if this happens, then we have the integrating factor as a e raised to the function of integration of that function f of y. So we see example how can we solve by using this rule 5. So this is example, solve into bracket 2x y raised to 4 e raised to y plus 2x y cube plus y into dx plus x square y raised to 4 e raised to y minus x square y square minus 3x into dy. So startly always we have to find out m and n comparing the given equation with m dx plus n dy. So comparing with m dx plus n dy, we get m is equal to this first bracket 2x y raised to 4 e raised to y plus 2x y raised to 3 plus y, and n is equal to this second bracket x square y raised to 4 e raised to y minus x square y square minus 3x. So now we have to calculate dabba m by dabba y and dabba n by dabba x. So dabba m by dabba y, that means derivative of m with respect to y keeping x constant. Therefore in this first term x is constant, 2 is constant, 2x is constant, I have written it outside, and we have to take derivative of y raised to 4 into e raised to y with respect to y. Since here product of two terms, we take derivative of it by using product formula. Therefore here e raised to y is remain as it is, and derivative of y raised to 4 is 4y cube plus, now y raised to 4 is remains as it is, and derivative of e raised to y is e raised to y, and bracket complete. Now derivative of next term 2xy cube, here x is constant, therefore 2x is constant, and derivative of only y cube is 3y square plus y, derivative of y with respect to y is 1. Therefore here multiplying this 2x to this bracket, we get 2 into 4 this 8x y cube into e raised to y plus 2x y raised to 4 e raised to y plus 2 into 3 6x y square plus 1. Now we have to calculate dabba n by dabba x. So n is x square y raised to 4 e raised to y minus x square y square minus 3x. So So dabba n by dabba x is equal to taking derivative of n partially with respect to x, keeping y as a constant. So in this first term, this y raised to 4 is constant and e raised to y is also constant. Therefore y raised to 4 e raised to y into derivative of x square is 2x minus x square y square, derivative with respect to x keeping y constant, therefore y square is constant, into derivative of x square is 2x minus derivative of 3x is 3. So this is equal to, this is 2 written outside, 2x y raised to 4 e raised to y minus 2x y square minus 3. So both the values are calculated. Now first we calculate dabba n by dabba x minus dabba m by dabba y. So putting these values here, so this 2x y raised to 4 minus e raised to y, and here in bracket 2x y raised to 4 e raised to y, this has minus sign outside the bracket, therefore these two terms are get cancelled, and 2x y square, here in the bracket 6x y square, but it has a minus sign, therefore this minus 2 and minus 6 we get minus x y square. Next in the bracket there are 8x y cube e raised to y, and minus sign is outside the bracket, therefore we write 8x y cube e raised to y, and the remaining term in the bracket is plus 1, that means it is minus 1, and here in first term there is minus 3, so minus 3 minus 1 we get minus 4. So from these three terms we can take minus 4 as a common, and we get 2x y square plus 2x y cube e raised to y plus 1, and you see these terms in the bracket, if we write the first term as 2x y cube e raised to y and then 2x square y x y square plus 1, then the value in this bracket is nothing but it will be capital M if we divide into bracket by y. So we divide this by y, so outside the bracket we write 1 upon y, but inside the bracket we multiply y by y, so that we get the terms that are in M. So we get this 2x y raised to 4 e raised to y plus 2x y cube plus y. This is nothing but value of capital M. Therefore this dabba n by dabba x minus dabba m by dabba y is equal to minus 4 into capital M divided by y. Now we have to calculate 1 upon m into bracket dabba n by dabba x minus dabba m by dabba y. That means we have to divide capital M. So we write here 1 upon m into bracket this above value minus 4m upon y. Thus m get cancelled and we get minus 4 upon y. So value of this 1 upon n into bracket dabba n by dabba x minus dabba m by dabba y is only function of y. It does not contain term x. Therefore we can find out integrating factor by this above rule, that is integrating factor is equal to e raised to integral f of y dy. This is equal to e raised to integral f of y is minus 4 upon y. So integral minus 4 upon y dy. This is equal to e raised to minus 4 is outside the integral. So minus 4 into integral 1 upon y dy. This is equal to minus 4 into integral of 1 upon y is log y. Therefore minus 4 log y. This is equal to e raised to minus 4 will be power of y. Therefore e raised to log y raised to minus 4. This is equal to y raised to minus 4, that is equal to 1 upon y raised to 4. And now we have calculated integrating factor, and to solve the differential equation we always multiply that equation by integrating factor. So multiplying given equation by integrating factor, that is 1 upon y raised to 4. So we have written here 1 upon y raised to 4 and whole equation in the bracket. So dividing by y raised to 4 we get 2x e raised to y plus 2x upon y plus 1 upon y cube into dx. And here x cube e raised to y minus x square upon y square minus 3x upon y raised to 4 into dy is equal to 0. Now this is our equation. This must be exact differential equation since we have multiplied it by integrating factor. And now solution of the given differential equation is integral m dx plus integration of those terms of n which do not contain x. But here we see that there is no term which is free from x, which do not contain x. Therefore we cannot take the terms in n. So only the solution is integral of integral m dx. Therefore we have written here m and we integrate. So 2x e raised to y, integration is with respect to x, therefore y is constant. Therefore 2 e raised to y is constant. Integral of x is x square upon 2 plus here 2 upon y is constant and integral of x is x square upon 2 plus 1 upon y cube is constant and integral 1 dx is x. This is equal to constant of integration c. So here 2 gets cancelled and we get x square e raised to y plus x square upon y plus x upon y cube is equal to c. And this is the solution of given differential equation. So this is method of solving differential equation by finding integrating factor using rule 5. So you solve the examples for practice, and if any query you can ask me. Thank you.